In this video, I'm going to show you how to get started creating free Runway AI videos from images in 5 simple steps. Hi and welcome back to DIY Film with Merle Becker, the channel where I help you make better videos. Alright, if you've been hearing a lot about AI video generation lately, there's a good chance you've heard of Runway. Runway is one of the leading AI video generation platforms, and it's surprisingly easy to learn. So let's dive in. 1. Create a free Runway account. The first thing that you're going to need to do is create a Runway account. Head on over to runwayml.com and click Sign Up. You can register using your Google account, Apple account, or an email address. Once you've signed up and logged in, you'll arrive at the Runway dashboard. Now, depending on when you're watching this, the layout might look slightly different because Runway always updates their platform, but the basic workflow remains pretty much the same. 2. Understand how credits work. Before generating any videos, it's important to understand Runway's credit system. Every time you create a video, you use credits. Generally speaking, longer videos with higher quality settings and more advanced AI models will require more credits. At the time of the making of this video, the free version of Runway starts you off with 125 one-time credits that don't expire. You can always check your available credits here on your account dashboard. 3. Generate an AI video from your image. Now let's create a video. From the dashboard, click on Custom on the left. And at the bottom here, you'll see what free models are available to you. Runway sometimes changes what you have access to in the free plan. You can tell which are free by finding options that don't have this little crown icon here. Select Gen 4 Turbo, which is free at the time of the making of this video. Then upload your image. And in the prompt box below, describe what you want your shot to look like. For example, a cinematic drone shot flying over an Airstream camper in the mountains at sunset. The more specific your prompt, the better your results will be. Then click Generate. Depending on demand, this may take a few seconds or a few minutes. And there we go, our first AI-generated video. Not bad. 4. Refine and improve your results. Here's something important to know. AI video generation is not perfect. Sometimes you're going to get exactly what you want. Other times you're going to see unusual movements, strange looking objects, or unexpected results. And that's completely normal. Most creators generate multiple versions before settling in on the one that they like. Try changing your prompt, adding more detail, or generating additional versions. The more you experiment, the better you'll understand how to guide the AI. 5. Use AI responsibly. Finally, here's the important bit, because it must be said. Let's talk about responsible AI use. Just because AI can create something doesn't mean it should. Avoid creating misleading content that could cause confusion or spread false information. And be especially careful when creating videos that involve real people, public figures, or copyrighted material. In general, you want to avoid these. And if you're planning to use Runway for a commercial project, take some time to review the platform's current terms of service so that you understand what rights you have to the content that you're creating. And remember, AI is a tool. It's here to help you create. But great storytelling, creative ideas, and good judgment still come from you. All right, one last tip before we go. Don't burn through all of your credits trying to create the perfect video on day one. Start with simple prompts, generate short clips, and learn what works best. You'll improve much faster and save yourself some credits in the process. All right, if you've already started using Runway, let us know in the comments what kind of videos you're creating. And as always, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell so you know when the next one is posted. And I will catch you next time.